Hey everybody, this is Joel Hebner, personal trainer, and I'm here to tell you how to maintain your own treadmill. Now what you want to do is when you're looking at your treadmill, you don't want there to be any fraying or skipping in the band, because what you can do with that, it can cause you to trip, fall, and that's never good. Injury is always bad on the road to personal fitness. Now you want it to maintain clean, so what you'll want to do is always have a rag with hot soapy water attached, or you can use a Windex or other antibacterial cleaner. And you'll just make sure that you give it a good clean. What can happen is you can sweat on this, mildew, bacteria can build up, and again, that's never going to be a good thing. You want to make sure your band is always in proper working order with no skipping, no runs. And your safety is always easy to attach and unattach. Nothing is worse than it not turning off when you need it to. So guys, that is how you maintain your treadmill. This is Joel Hebner, and I'll see you next time.